In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a product catalog for a Facebook business page. Let's start by making sure you are already logged in to facebook.com. From the left navigation menu, open your Facebook business page. Once you are on your page, look again to the left side and click Meta Business Suite. When Meta Business Suite opens, go to the lower left corner and click All Tools. In the Tools menu, find the section labeled Sell Products and Services, then click Commerce Manager. Inside Commerce Manager, first make sure the correct business portfolio is selected. This is important because your catalog will be created under the business portfolio that is currently active. After that, go to the Catalog section and click the Add Account button. If the Get Started page appears, click Create Catalog to continue. You will then see a screen asking what best describes your products or services. Choose the option that matches what you are selling. For example, if you are adding physical items from an online store, select Online Products. Next, check that the correct business portfolio is still selected. Then enter a name for your catalog. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to manage multiple catalogs. Leave this turned on if you want people in your business portfolio to automatically receive access to the catalog. If you would rather assign access manually later, turn this option off. If you want to connect a dataset, click Connect Data and complete that setup. If not, you can skip this part and move on. Then click Next. On the next screen, choose Manually Add Your Products, and then click Next again. You will now be able to start entering your product details, add your product images, and fill in the required information, including the product title, description, website link, and price. If you are not ready to add products right now, you can select Add Products Later instead. This will still create the catalog so you can come back and add items when you are ready. If you entered your products now, click Upload Products to finish. If you chose to add products later, complete the process by finishing the catalog setup. Once that is done, your new product catalog will be ready to use inside Commerce Manager for your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.